been dropping some really can't get my words out properly, and I've been really clumsy with the coins all night. Another. Stop it, Trevor. Yes, I've got one for the book. 2 for the book. Fantastic. Right, let's do a 50p coin hunt. But I've got 1, 2, 3 bags of 50p's. Don't worry, I'm not about to do a £750 coin hunt. I got 4 bags of coins from the bank when I did last week's Mega Marathon Monday video. Obviously I chose that first bag. I've got 3 bags left, and I was just wondering if in one of these bags I would have got more points than the bag I did choose. So what I'll do, 1, 2, worst Sharpie ever, 2, 3. For the next 3 weeks, we're gonna see if I chose the right bag or not. Okay, right, let's do that. So, today, bag number 1. You can't see. I don't know why I've got to put a 1 there now. A better 1. I'm gonna rip it out of the bag any second. So why I've got to put a 1 on it, I don't know. Sealed bags. Brilliant. Right, so I want to find some nice coins in here, of course, but I also don't want to beat my score. And of course, at the time of filming this, I don't actually know who has won that competition, which channel did the best. So I won't have any. I don't have any idea of what the final scores was on that. So anyway, just a reminder, if you're going to enter that competition, you have until 8 PM tonight, Monday the 15th, I think, if I'm right. When this video should go out. Bust bag to start. We have a Pride coin, my first coin. Sorry about the plaster as well. Oh, there's one that's fallen out of the bag. There we go. Platinum anniversary. Oh, there we go. We have a Battle of Britain. There we go. Is it going to be a JC or an IRB? Can't get my words out today. It's just a JC. Pretty cool coin though. Public libraries. Well, there we go. Finally found something other than Pride coins. Let's get this the right way up. Always struggle with that. There we go. It's the memorial coin, Queen Elizabeth memorial coin, with Charlie Boy's portrait on the obverse. Very nice. Still happy to find them. It's always good. I'm looking forward to the next King Charles coin coming out, the coronation coin. Some point this year. Don't know when it's going to come out. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure everything has gone correctly. That's Diversity, built Britain. I should have been at the Mint last weekend to pick up my Strike Eurome on the day. Coronation King Charles coin, another Pride. There we go. What's that? Number 4. So yeah, so that'd be nice. Hey, Peter Rabbit, 2017, would not have scored me any points last week. Never mind. Glad to see him. We had a little bit of a dry spell there. A few bags. Yay. Happy to see him. Now, there was something else. Oh, that was it. I remember now. While at the Mint, let's say last weekend, and it's weird me saying last weekend because this is actually be filmed 2 weeks before I actually went to the Mint. So I'm speaking about past tense when I haven't even... Whatever, it's a bit... it hurts my brain thinking about it. Whoa, nice coin coming up. Nice coin coming up, not this Britannia, but something else underneath that. Let's flip that over, shut them away. Lovely bit. There we go, 2011. A lovely bit of pokey sticks. Give you a clue. We'll come back to it. I was going to say, I will insert picture now. Dan Temple did do me, he did paint a very nice picture for me. Words tonight, eh? Words. And I've been thinking of a way, oh my word, thinking of a way to repay his generosity and talent. So I made him I did a little woodworking project for him, and I gave that to him. Again, fingers crossed this all goes to plan. I gave that to him at the Mint, and hopefully I filmed his reaction. I've edited the video, and hopefully that should have already been out by now. But if it hasn't, it's on its way. If it has, I'll leave a little thingy card up there, linked to that video. So it's a bit of a departure from a coin video, a bit of a woodworking video, but it was quite fun doing it. And again, at the time of filming this, I haven't actually quite finished it. Oh, more pride. More pride. I'm overwhelmed with pride. I think that'd be the title of the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not quite the 7 I had last week. Hey, Tommy. Tommy Kitten. 17, yeah. Anyway, alright. Shutting up now. Let's speed some of these bags up. Hang on, pick that one back up. We got another Olympic. I actually forgot to show you that first one. I was been waiting for another commemorative to stop the speedy uppy bitty and show you that coin, but like I say, I couldn't. It was another Olympic that actually broke that little dry spell, so I'm gonna keep that going. I think we'll leave you in suspense a little bit longer. Hey, oh, there we go. Got a couple here. That's all right. So we got a Paddington. What is it? Paddington at the Tower and a Charlie Boy coin. So Paddington goes into Paddington Corner, and of course that should be. There we go. Another memorial coin. 2 of those now. So I'll tell you what, let's show you what these Olympics are before we go any deeper into this. So stabby sticks, what did I say, fighting sticks, or did I say stabby sticks? There we go, fencing. How cool is that? Where is my book? I think I've got fencing. I do apologise that I never seem to show you guys the book. Where is it? Equestrian fencing. So I do need it. Yes, I've got one for the book. And unfortunately, I had a little moment thinking it was this next one was something else I needed for the book, but it's not, sadly. But it's still very cool. Dan Temple approved. Taekwondo. Nice one. I'll have it. I'll accept it. I'm sorry, no, I'm not going to say what I was going to say. Right, yeah. Onwards. Oh, before we can get going, squirrel nutkins. And I still needed to find one for the book, because apparently I did find one ages ago and then I chucked it back into the wild, back to the bank. So 2 for the book. Fantastic. As well, in that bag, I got me another pride. I got my first Benjamin Bunny of this hunt. Flip him over, and unfortunately the Queenie is up the correct way. One day maybe, even if they even exist. I've been dropping some really can't get my words out properly, and I've been really clumsy with the coins all night. It is quite late at night, and I have to go for at least a couple of bags tonight to get the coins back in the bank, because I'm a little bit, well, I'm not overdrawn, but if a bill goes out tomorrow that I completely forgot that was going out, it could take me overdrawn. So I want to get these back in the bank tomorrow morning. So I've got to hunt through the coins tonight. There we go. A little insight into the world of coins to collect. Right, last bag, and we start with a Scouts. Cool. Very cool coin. I love that design. Yeah. Oh, medals. Victoria Cross medals. There we go. Nice one. Anything else in this bag? This little stack of coins. Oh. Another. Stop it, Trevor. Another Scouts. Oh yeah, there you are. Anything else before I drop any more coins? No. Right. There we go. 2 Olympics, squirrel nutkins, going in the book. Fantastic hunts. Nice little spread, nice little variety. We've got 9 Pride coins. So I think that's my new record of 9 Pride coins in a video. Last week we did 7, was it? Anyway, whatever. Do you know what? I really can't be bothered to count these coins up, see what points I got. So I'm going to do the points as I'm editing this video. They're on the screen right now. If it's more than 149, I should have chosen this bag. I don't think it will be, actually. I'm not sure. We did get a lot of prides, 5 points each. They sort of, you know, the lower points, you know, do add up. So whatever. I think the prides are now got to the point where I can start chucking them back to the bank. I've been keeping hold of them, but I think now, they're just going to go back to the bank. Keep the memorial coins, of course. I think everything else is going back to the bank. Obviously, bunny, I'm hanging on to. Let's get squirrel nutkins in the book. Yay. So we're righting a wrong. What's the Quantum Leap quote? Putting right something that once went wrong. There we go. Squirrel in the album finally. Fencing. Stabby sticks. Fencing. How cool is that? Sorry about the plaster again. I should have taken it off before I started this, but like I say, hands got a bit beaten up this week. Doing some woodwork stuff for Dan. There we go, done. Let's just do this bunny. There we go. Put him back into the wild as well. Alright, thanks for watching to the end, guys. I do appreciate it. If by some chance you're not subscribed, maybe thinking about doing that, that'd be great. I do appreciate it. Like and bell notification and a nice little comment, and that'd be fantastic. Okay, until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect. Goodbye.